Hello, boys and girls. Let's do some math. You ready? Let's grab our thinking caps, put those on, help us stay focused as we're going to be using our brains all morning long. Okay, so we got this set. Make sure it doesn't pop off. First thing we're going to do is practice reading some dots. I'm going to hold a card up. How many dots do you see? You get 7? Yep. We have our 4 over here. 5, 6, 7. That's how I saw it. 4 and 3. How did you see it? Okay, how about this one? You get 5. I saw it as 4 and 1. 5. How did you see it? Did you see it differently than that? Okay. How many pairs of socks? Remember, pairs when you put 2 together, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, there's 4 pairs of socks. How many socks total? And this might be a little bit of a trick, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get that? Alright. Okay. Let's move on to our lesson for the day. What we're going to be doing today is... Granny, hey, how are you?
Well, hello, Sonny. I'm just a bit confused.
Confused? Well, what are you confused about?
Well, I was doing our math from yesterday and I didn't feel quite confident in it.
No? No, struggling just a little bit? It was a little bit tough?
Yeah, a little bit tough on me. What about you, boys and girls?
A little confusing? Okay, well, let's take a look, because what we're trying to do is show that the equal sign that we have in a problem is showing that both sides are the same, right? Both sides of the equal sign are the same, right? And that makes it a true statement. If they're not the same, then it's not true, right?
Yeah, I kind of get it.
Okay, Granny, let me show you. Let me grab some cubes that we have over here. Granny, why don't you have a seat? Okay. All right, Granny. So, let's take a look. We have 4 cubes here. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is equal to 4, right?
Yes, yes it is.
Okay. So I can have 4 plus 4 is equal to 4. I could break these up also into mini problems. 2 plus 2. Is 2 plus 2 equal to 4? Yes, it is, right? Now I can also have 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 1. Or 1 plus 3. Right? Because it's still 4. All we're saying here is that we have 4 on this side and we have 4 on this side, no matter how it looks. 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3. Still 4. 4, 3 plus 1. They're both still 4, right? So what's on one side is equal to what's on the other side. Both sides are the same.
Okay, I kind of see that. Maybe, can we do a couple problems?
Yeah, absolutely we can. Why don't you go have a seat with the boys and girls? We'll do a couple quick problems.
Alright, excuse me.
You're right. So Granny's here to help us out. Let's see. We can have problems like this. 9. 9 is equal to, well, one way I can say is 9 is equal to 9, right? That's easy enough. 9 is the same as 9. It's the same on both sides. Well, what about if I start to change this up a little bit? And I have 9 is equal to 5 plus, no, well, let's see. Let's grab 5 cubes. And we have to go to 9. We have to count on until we get to 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, so these are all true. These are all true statements, right? What about this? What about if I said 5 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 5. Is that a true statement? Is 5 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 5? Is this the same on both sides? Okay, let's take a look. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 5 is also 9. So this is a true statement. Right? This is true. Okay, let's get to some of the good stuff now. Boys and girls, let's take a look. We have 3 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 3. All right, let's figure this out right here. 3 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 3. Is this a true and accurate statement? Remember, if it is, we're going to circle it today. If it's not, you cross it out. Are you going to get crossed out, buddy? You're going to cross this one out, or true. Telling the truth, you're safe. If you're not, you're going to be crossed out. All right, so we have 3 plus 4. Let's do 3 plus 4. Here's 3. Let's grab 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them together. 3 plus 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Now yesterday I was writing a little number below it, but I can also put it right on top just to keep track. Remember, this is, you don't have to do this. This is what I do so I don't forget what the answer is. Right? So I put a little reminder right here. Oh, this is 7. On this side of the equal sign is 7. Now the other side, let's find out. Is this equal to 7? 5 plus 3, I don't know. Let's grab 5 first. 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's grab 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 on this side. So my little reminder goes up. 7 is equal to 8. Is 7 equal to 8? No, it's not. So guess what happens to you, buddy? You are circled and you are crossed out. You are not true. That is an untrue statement, right? So we circle and cross that one out. All right. Good job figuring that out. They tried to sneak that one by and not past us, right? We're too good for that. Too quick. We're too quick for that. Now, what happens if it's just a number on one side? Like this. What happens if there's just a number on this side? Well, you already have the total here, right? So you don't have to do anything on this side. It's just 10. You just focus on the other side, right? You just focus on the other side. So I take my 8. Let's grab 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is saying 8 minus 2 is 10. So here's our 8. Let's take away these 2. And we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left with 6. Let me put my little reminder up here. Is 10 equal to 6? No, not quite. Sorry, we got it. Cross you out. All right? Now, you're going to have a few number of problems today, a few problems to do. Work through them, right? There are addition, they are subtraction. You know how to do that. And you just have to make sure that what's on one side of the equal sign is equal to what's on the other side of the equal sign. If it is, you're going to leave it alone. If it's not, you're going to circle and cross it out, right? Circle and cross it out, or just cross it out. Just get rid of it, right? Just get rid of it. All right, Granny, come on up. Okay, Granny, how you feeling now?
Well, I'm feeling a lot better, but just curious. Do I have to use cubes for all this?
No, you don't. You get to choose what strategy is best for you. So I've been using cubes because they help me out the best with this. But you can use your pictures, like your dots. You can use a number line, right? You can use any strategy that works for you to figure these out, okay? I want to see what you guys come up with. All right, Granny, what do you think you're going to do?
Well, I like using the dots the best.
All right. Well, why don't you go get started on our work today? And then later on, you can come back and let me know how you did, all right?
Will do. Bye-bye, boys and girls.
All right, boys and girls, let's see. We are going to be on page 219 today. We're going to start at number 5 and go all the way down to number 13. So we're going to start here at 5, go down to 13. So you're going to do this whole page here, right? So if it is a correct statement, just leave it. If it's incorrect, you can circle and cross it out, or just cross it out. And here at the bottom, write numbers to show expressions of equal value. So you're going to come up with your own problem like this. Do it down here. Okay, but make sure what's on this side, that this problem is equal to this problem. All right, boys and girls, we went a little bit long today trying to help everybody out, and that's just fine. Thank you very much. Have some fun with this math. We'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.